I have a few BaoFeng radios here to test. The first one is the BF-888SA. I believe it's the second edition of this model. It's about 2 watts. The receiver end is about a mile away, between half mile and a mile away.
This is what it sounds like transmitting from about a mile or a half mile away from the 888 model.
Next one we have is the UV-5RE. It is the 5 watt model, I believe. It's currently set for the lowest power setting.
This is what the 5RE sounds like on the lowest power setting. This is the higher power setting with the 5RE. You'll notice that I have the longer antenna installed on it, the one that it originally shipped with.
Next radio is the Midland GXT. It's about a half watt with the factory antenna on it.
This is what it sounds like transmitting about a half mile to a mile away using the Midland GXT model.
And the last one we have is the higher powered BaoFeng BF-F8HP model. I'll set it to the low power setting.
This is what the F8HP sounds like on its lowest power setting using the factory antenna. This is the F8HP model using the middle power setting. And this is what it sounds like using the highest power setting.
I also have a 888 model using an aftermarket antenna. This is the Nagoya, I believe it's 8 or so inches aftermarket antenna. It's still only the 2 watts that it's regularly configured for.
This is what the 888 model sounds like with the aftermarket antenna. I'll continue talking as the cars drive by.
We'll go ahead and swap the antenna over to the higher powered model to see if that gives it any difference. Still set on the highest power setting.
This is the F8HP model using the aftermarket antenna, using its high power setting. This is the 888 model using its regular antenna. This is the UV-5R model using the higher power setting. This is the Midland GXT model. And this is the F8HP BaoFeng model using the aftermarket antenna. And this is the F8HP model using its factory antenna broadcasting on the highest power setting.
I have some BaoFeng radios here to test. I have some of the cheaper models as well as the more expensive one. The first one is the BF-888 model. I believe it's the second revision of it. Regular power, about 2 watts. This is a Midland GTX model. I believe it has about a half watt of power using the standard antenna on it.
What it sounds like somewhere around the mark. The receiver is set up recording this audio.
This is the UV-5RE model. I believe it's a second revision of it. It only goes up to about 5 watts or so.
This is currently transmitting on the low power setting. This is now transmitting on the higher power setting using the UV-5RE.
This radio is the higher power model from BaoFeng. It's the BF-F8HP model. It's currently configured for the lower power setting.
This is what it sounds like on the low power setting of the BaoFeng. This is the medium power setting of the F8HP model.
This is the higher power setting of the F8HP model. It's using the
factory antenna that was supplied with it. They're all about the same length, and match up really well.
Last radio we have is the 88 model with an aftermarket antenna on it. It's a Nagoya antenna around an 8-inch.
Sounds like transmitting about a mile
away using 88. I'll swap the antenna over so you can see what it sounds like on the higher power radio.
This is the higher power radio, the F8HP model using the aftermarket antenna. The instructions between where I'm at and the receiver station where it's recording, there is quite a lot of buildings and vehicles and power lines, so it would be fairly difficult.
Going from least powerful to most powerful.
This is the TX model. This is the BaoFeng BF-F888 model. This is the BaoFeng UV-5R model. This is the BF-8HP model using an aftermarket antenna.